You're watching Ride the Teacups, and these are the best do's and don'ts for telling your kids about your upcoming Disney trip. Hey everybody, my name is Steve with Ride the Teacups, and we want your family to have the best Disney trip you possibly can. That's what we do here at Ride the Teacups, so if you like that idea, hit that subscribe button right down here. We give you more of it. It's totally free and helps your family out. We have all of these do's and don'ts of things to tell your kids about your upcoming Disney trip. First off, do this. Mickey waffles! One of the most iconic things that you are going to find for breakfast in any Disney park is the Mickey waffle. We've actually suggested to you the Mickey waffle maker. You can find that video right here. It's a great way to make waffles, one of my favorite things that we own. It's really easy to make waffles. You can do it the scratch way, or you can just throw some Bisquick in there and be done. Whatever's best for you, but make those Mickey waffles and tell your family over a plate of a Mickey breakfast that you are headed to Disney. Do not lie to your kids about where you're going. Guys, we have seen a lot of different lists of ways that you can tell your kids early and surprise them with a Disney trip. One of the most popular things that we see and strongly disagree with is that you're just headed to the airport or headed to grandma's house or headed to class or a special field trip, and then as you get there, boom, misdirection, you're actually going to Disney. Really cool surprise and twist in theory. However, your kids are kids, and once they know they're going to grandma's, they're excited to go to grandma's house and see grandma. Once they know they're going to a field trip, they're excited for the field trip and they want to do the field trip. Their mind is on the field trip. And if you take that away from them, even if it's for something as cool as going to Disney, you've taken away something that they have kind of psyched themselves up to looking forward to, and maybe half the time they're actually going to be miserable, hate the trip, and not like you very much for it either. And you don't want to start your trip off on that type of leg. Do not spring this on your trip, and do not spring this trip on your kids and lie to them about where it is that you're going. You don't want to set the wrong expectation. We're going to keep you as far away from that meltdown as we possibly can. Do invite your kids. What a strange thing to say, right? Invite your kids to Disney. Of course you're going to do that, but it's not you who's inviting your kids. If your kids have a favorite Disney character, have that character invite your kids. Whether it's Mickey or Goofy or Aladdin or one of the princesses, whoever it is, write a letter from that character to your kid, inviting them to their house to come play and hang out and ride the rides. So type out this awesome invitation letting your kid know how much that character cares about them and wants to hang out with them. And then when you're online, you can actually Google search for that character's signature. So search for Mickey Mouse signature, or for Princess Jasmine signature, or for Snow White signature, and find you something in black and white and save that on your computer and put it as an image at the bottom of your letter. It'll look like your character signed that letter to your kid, and it makes it so much more personal and just gets your kids so much more excited that their best friend wants them at Disney. And do get some early souvenirs. Guys, you're actually knocking out a couple of different birds with one stone on this one. One, when you actually let your kids know you're going to Disney, they'll have a package of stuff to open like it's present Christmas Day. Maybe it is Christmas Day. That would be really cool. But get something physical in your hands so that they have something to bring to Disney and keep them super excited about it because they see it all the time. At the same time, if you get your souvenirs early, you're not paying those in-park prices, and there's some great ways to save money doing that. For our list of souvenirs you should get before your trip, check out this video right up here and get yourself some saved money back in your pocket. Tell your kids too far in advance what you're doing. One of the hardest parts for us about telling our kids about their Disney trip was keeping it a secret for so long. It would have been so easy to just tell them, hey, we're going to Disney in 9 months from now. Well, my kids are 2 and 5. They have no concept of what that actually means. That may as well be in 10 years from now. And it just doesn't mean anything as it goes on. We decided to tell them about 2 weeks in advance. It's what we suggest worked out great for our family. But don't tell them too far in advance. Otherwise, they're just going to kind of lose track and lose focus and like, oh yeah, the Disney thing, I forgot. You don't want that to be a reaction. don't tell them too far in advance. And I know that's hard because all you want to do is talk Disney with everybody. And guys, it was so hard not to talk Disney in front of the kids, but it's so worth it. Before I get to the last do not, guys, here at Ride the Teacup, we bring Disney magic to you, whether that's actually prepping you for your trip like you're watching right now. We also bring attractions to you, show you how to build different things inside your own house. We have cool stuff like Buzz Lightyear's Astro Blasters. You can build that in your own house. Radiator Springs Racers, the Cars ride, you can build that in your own house. Autopia, you can build that in your own house. How to make the food that is that you're going to eat when you're in the park, you can do that in your own house, and we do all of that for you right here on this channel. So explore a little bit, have some fun, try ridetheteacups.com for a little bit better listing. But guys, get that Disney magic to you, which means the last do not is do not forget to subscribe. It's the red button right down here, gets you all of these cool Disney videos for free every time we release one. We don't want to miss it. We want you to be part of the community and have that Disney magic every single day. Hey guys, thanks so much for watching our planning video for Walt Disney World. We really appreciate it, and we hope that it's really helpful for you, showing you, one, what to expect, and two, helping you get a little peace of mind for your trip and just taking some of the stress away. If you liked the video and found it useful, we'd really appreciate a like and hit that subscribe button, because if you liked our planning, you're not going to want to miss what happens next. Thanks so much for watching. Here's some other ideas for you. We will see you next time we ride the Teacups, which will be soon.